Chapter 7, Tux Paint. Topics covered. Parts of Tux Paint window. New tool. Fill tool. Shapes tool. Eraser tool. Save tool. Quit tool. Cyber tidbits. Tux Paint is named after Tux the penguin, the mascot of the Linux operating system. Tux is short for tuxedo. Starting Tux Paint. Step 1. To open Tux Paint, double-click on the Tux Paint icon on the desktop. Step 2. The Tux Paint window will open a title screen after a few seconds. Once loading is complete, press a key or click or tap in the Tux Paint window to continue. After about 5 seconds, the title screen will go away automatically. Parts of Tux Paint window. Main screen. The main screen is divided into 5 sections. Toolbar. Selector. Color palette. Help area. Drawing canvas. Toolbar. The left side of the screen contains toolbar. The toolbar contains the drawing and editing controls. Drawing canvas. The largest part of the screen. In the center is the drawing canvas. This is the space where we draw. Selector. The right side of the screen contains selector. When we select any tool, the selector shows different things related to that tool. For example, when we select paintbrush, selector shows various brushes available. Colors. A palette of available colors is shown near the bottom of the screen. On the far right, the color palette has 2 special color options, allows us to pick a color found within our drawing, and the rainbow palette allows to pick a color from within a box containing thousands of colors. Let us learn to use some of the tools now. New tool. To start a new drawing in Tux Paint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on New Tool in the toolbar. A screen appears. Step 2. Choose a drawing area you want. Step 3. Choose Paint in the toolbar. Step 4. Now, you can draw freehand, using various brushes shown in the selector on the right and colors shown in the color palette at the bottom. Fill tool. To fill a color in our drawing, we follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Fill tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Pick a color from the color palette. Step 3. Click inside the picture or parts of picture to fill with the color of your choice. You can choose a new color again. Shapes tool. Shapes tool is used to draw different shapes like circle, square, triangle, etc. To use the shape tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click on any shape pattern from the selector. Step 3. Select any color from the color palette. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw the shape and hold to stretch. Click once again to finish the shape. You can draw as many shapes as you want, either outlined or colored. Stamp tool. Stamp tool is a collection of various stamps and stickers. It is a unique tool. Step 1. Click on Stamp tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click on the stamp you like. Click on the drawing canvas to add the stamp. Step 3. Click on Tool to display the mirror image of the stamps. Step 4. Click on Tool to increase or decrease the size of the stamp. Text tool. Text tool is used to type text in the drawing area. Follow these steps to use the text tool. Step 1. Click on Text tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Select text style from the selector pane. Step 3. Select any color from the colors palette. Step 4. Click on the drawing canvas to get the cursor. Type your text. Press Enter key to end. Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase the unnecessary part of the drawing from the drawing canvas. To use the eraser tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the eraser tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Select the eraser shape and size you want from the selector. Step 3. Drag the mouse to erase the picture. Save tool. After completing the drawing, you can save the file. Click on the Save tool from the toolbar. Your drawing will be saved in just a click. Quit tool. We can quit TuxPaint by clicking on Quit tool from the toolbar. TuxPaint will display a message as shown. Click on Yes, I am done to quit.